Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're focusing on the text function, a powerful tool in Excel that can transform how you display data. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this video is packed with 5 useful text function tips to elevate your spreadsheets. Let's jump right in. Tip 1, extract month abbreviations. Struggling to extract just the month from a bunch of dates? The text function can simplify this task. Here's the formula. Type equals text bracket open. Select data cell, comma, double quote. Type double quote. Bracket close. Now press enter key. Replace A2 with your cell containing the date. The part tells Excel to display the abbreviated month name, Jan, February, Mar. This creates a new column instantly populated with month abbreviations, saving you time and effort. Tip 2, convert decimals to percentages. Need to show your decimal values as percentages with 2 decimal places? The text function can handle that. Type equals text bracket open. Select data cell, comma, double quote. Type 0.00%. Double quote. Bracket close. Now press enter key. Replace A2 with your cell containing the decimal value. The 0.00% format ensures the number is displayed as a percentage with 2 decimal places. This is a quick way to format your data for better presentation. Tip 3, format numbers in scientific notation. Scientific notation can seem complex, but the text function makes it easy. Here's the formula. Type equals text bracket open. Select data cell, comma, double quote. Type 0.00e plus 00. Double quote. Bracket close. Now press enter key. Replace A2 with your cell containing the number. This code displays the number in scientific notation with 2 decimal places. No more struggling with manually formatting numbers in this way. Tip 4, apply currency formatting with locale. Want to display your numbers in a specific currency format, like euros or yen? The text function with a custom locale code can do the trick. Type equals text bracket open. Select data cell, comma, double quote. Type like this format. Double quote. Bracket close. Now press enter key. Replace A2 with your cell containing the number. In this example, $$409 applies the $$ symbol and adheres to locale, code -409. You can find locale codes for various currencies online. This allows you to create professional-looking financial statements with the correct currency symbols. Tip 5, format square roots with decimals. For the math enthusiasts, the text function can format square roots with ease. Here's how. Type equals text bracket open. SQRT bracket open. Select data cell, bracket close, comma, double quote. Type 0.00. Double quote. Bracket close. Press enter key. Replace A2 with your cell containing the number. The SQRT function calculates the square root, and the 0.00 format displays the result with 2 decimal places. This is a handy way to display square roots in a clear and concise way. These are just 5 of the many ways the text function can enhance your Excel experience. By incorporating these tips into your workflow, you can transform the way you display data, making your spreadsheets more informative and professional. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.